In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications. Then hit App Notifications here and click on blue switchers next to your apps from which you want to block them, or grey switchers if you want to switch them back on. You can also click on any app on the left and manage all notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!